question we hear from our customers on a regular basis, and after doing some of our own research online, have found that many consumers have the same question, is what is an independent insurance agent and why should they care? Hi, my name is Jason Hutchinson with Pacific Crest Services, and we wanted to do a brief talk to kind of lay out a little information and hopefully help you better understand that question. Before we dive in, there's one clarification that I'd like to make. This video is pertaining to an agent that's selling property and casualty insurance. So home, auto, commercial, business insurance. We're not necessarily discussing health insurance, life insurance, or financial services. Within the property and casualty sector, there are three major channels that you can utilize as a consumer to obtain coverage. The first is called a direct channel, where you as a consumer through a 1-800 number or an online source have the ability to go straight to the carrier, complete some information, and get a quote instantaneously, either online or through a phone conversation. This is considered the fastest of the three options. The second option is through a captive insurance agent. Now this agent works for a specific company. You'll see this predominantly in Farmers Insurance, State Farm Insurance, Allstate, Farm Bureau. These companies have agents that work specifically for them. The third option is an independent insurance agent. This agent is licensed similar to the captive, but they get to contract with multiple carriers and have multiple products. So when you work with that agent, they truly have an option to make sure you have the best coverage and the best price. So if we look at these three connected to each other and related, a direct channel is most likely the quickest. But again, you have to understand your own financial risk, your own financial situation, and what insurance you need. Many consumers don't have that knowledge. So instead of that, you would want to work with an insurance professional that understands the industry and coverage and make sure you have the protection that you're paying for. The difference between a captive and independent, a captive agent can be an absolutely fantastic agent, but at the end of the day, they have one product to sell, their company, their carrier. And so if that's not the best or the most competitive product for you, then they're either not a good fit or you could potentially overpay for the coverage that you need. And that's why an independent agent that brings that expertise, that knowledge, that industry awareness to the conversation, but then also has the ability to pick the best carrier partner, construct the right coverage, and make sure you have a competitive rate so you're not overpaying, but still not sacrificing coverage in that transaction.